how to use a shield in your Hytale. So for your first shield you will need to craft the workbench and then craft the armorer's workbench, and once you have the armorer's workbench, open it and here on the right click shield and craft your first shield. So for the copper shield you will need copper ingot, 1 tree log and 3 fibers. Also I got here the wooden shield, but I found it from some skeleton or something like that. So how you can use it: press tab and place your shield into this window, which is the epsilon. You can place it here and now you are using it. So if you fight with someone and if you right click, it will use your shield, but it cannot be used, for example, with daggers, because if I right click, it's not using shield. And also with two-handed mace, if I right click, I cannot use shield. So I'm gonna show it to you how it works. So I'm gonna right click and I'm using shield. As you can see, you can fight and right click and you will not get any damage. Also, if you want to, you can use multiple shields. So press epsilon and make sure your hand is empty. Now press tab and place here the next shield. So you will have here 2 shields, and if you press epsilon you can choose which shield you want. So for example, copper shield. Now it's using the copper one and I want to switch to wooden shield and I'm using the wooden one. So that's how you can use it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a silly comment in the comment section and see you next time.